What's going on, guys? It's your boy Dom coming back to you with another video. And today I just wanted to do some quick update videos on some of the platforms that I'm in, and also do something a little different, kind of put you in the mindset on what I do and how I'm, generating leads and building my business. Okay, because I've been getting a lot of emails and people have been talking about how are you getting signups, how are you getting people in your business. Okay, so I'm gonna go over that real quick, real briefly. So once you see it, it's gonna go off and you'll understand why I do what I do. Okay. Now, but before we get into that, guys, please subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell if you like the content that I'm giving to you today, and definitely smash that like button. I'd really appreciate it. Let me put out a disclaimer real quick. I hate I have to do this every video, but guys, I'm not your financial advisor, nor will I tell you what to do with your money or how to spend it. The platforms that I am in are in cryptocurrency, so you guys know the risk. So I just want to make sure that you understand that. Don't get in anything with money that you cannot afford to lose. All right, guys, come in with risk capital. Just keep that mindset and you will be just fine if you stick to that. All right, now let's dive right into my lead gen secrets. And the reason why I'm starting off with this today is that I just want to kind of just change it up just a little bit, put you in my mind and show you exactly what I do to, actually build my businesses that I'm in and get signups and leads. Okay. And this is how you do it. All right. This is how I'm doing it. So I can't speak for everybody else. So basically what I do with my lead gen secret is this platform is only it's 60 bucks, guys. So just understand the power of this. It's 60 bucks for $30 for the processing fee, and then it's $30 a month. Okay. Now you're gonna get 100 leads every single day. Every single day, 7 days a week, you're gonna get 100 leads. Okay. So what can that do for your business? What that can do for your business is that's going to grow your reach. So when you have something that you're talking about, or you have a business that you want to get out in front of people, the name of the game is get your business out in front of as many eyeballs as possible. Because if people don't see you, people don't hear you, people don't know who you are, you're not going to get anybody to join your business, because you're going to be stuck, trying to holler at friends and family to get them to jump in everything that you get, that everything that you're doing online. And you already know how family members are, because a lot of people that are not in this space don't understand that the magnitude of this when you having to start talking to other people, especially making money on the internet or making money online. A lot of people now, I don't know about all that, because they hear a lot of negative things about making money online, so they're not going to jump into it. Okay. But those people that are out here that are crushing it and that are making money online. Okay. So the key to growing your business and to getting signups is you have to have lead generation, guys. I don't care what nobody tells you online. If people tell you, oh, you don't need leads, you don't need email, you don't need this, you don't need that. You need all means of traffic in order to grow your business. I don't care what nobody tells you. Do not listen to what other people say. Hey, just grab your link and throw it out there and people will sign up. No, it does not work that way. Now if you already been in the game and you have a big following, then yes, it's a lot easier for you to sign up. But those type of people been in the game for 10, 15, 20 years. I've been in the game for 10 years. So my email list is been growing, and that's what I do. The money is in your list. The money is in your list. I cannot say that enough times. That's where the bulk of your money is, and that's how you're going to maintain your online presence, especially if you're getting into this type of niche. But this right here, if you're starting out and you're getting only a couple referrals here, a couple referrals here, this is definitely going to help you out. So I'm going to show you how you can use my lead gen secret to grow your YouTube channel if you do have a YouTube channel. But you don't necessarily have to do it that way, but I highly recommend everybody to start a YouTube channel, guys, and get it out there. If you don't know how to come up with content, feel free to use my videos. You can use my videos. Just don't go out and proclaim that you're me. Don't do the dishonest thing. Okay. Don't, oh yeah, I'm my passive, I'm all about passive. No, don't do that. And I won't have a beef with you. It doesn't bother me. Okay. Get it out there. I'm all about people making money online. That's just what it is at the end of the day. But here's what I'm doing with this. So every single day I'm getting 100 leads with my lead gen secret. Okay, I'm getting 100 leads. So I have I have these emails already loaded up. So I come in, I come up with something catchy on the subject line, and then I just go ahead and write it. I write it out, and then then I come down here and I put in put in a nice little short little email, nothing long, nothing nothing too far fetched, just in straight to the point, talking about whatever business that I'm in. And then I put my YouTube link in that video, I mean in the actual email, okay, in the text. So once people come over here and they open it up and they click on my link, they're gonna go over to my YouTube channel, which that's their once they go to my channel, then 9 times out of 10 they're gonna click on what I'm talking about, and that's gonna give you more exposure on YouTube to kind of help you build, get more subscribers, to get some likes on some of your videos, to to build up your views and stuff like that, if that's what that's what you're doing. But that's going to help your your YouTube channel grow even bigger, and that way more people can find you, more people can see what you have going on. Okay, in my opinion, I believe that that'll be a easier way for a lot of people, because you don't really have to do anything. You can come out, you can say, hey, you know what, I'm gonna take Dom's video and I'm gonna upload that on my YouTube channel, and then I'm gonna go to my lead gen secrets and use that, and then I'm going to send traffic to my to my YouTube channel to get people to see exactly what I'm talking about. Okay, so you can definitely do that as well, guys, and I don't have any problem with that. I'm here to help you. I'm here to show you exactly what I'm doing and how you can be successful online. All right, now once you start generating these leads and getting these leads in, all you do is just send them out on a daily basis. Every day, come in, write you a fresh new email, and then send it out, because you're going to get 100 leads every day. And as you're building, like right now, I have 1,900 leads right now that I'm getting ready to send to as soon as I get off of this video. Okay, as soon as I get off, I'm gonna send all these leads to this video that I'm on right now, that I'm doing. I'm gonna send them to here. Okay, so that's going to allow people to come to this particular channel and see exactly what I'm talking about, and then they have that opportunity to say, hey, if this is something that they want to get in, they can get in. If not, then hey, it's fine too. They might like the content, they might want to subscribe to the channel, and then they just watch what you do, and then they might like something that you do in the later in later videos that they might want to get in. Okay, so you always want to build a repertoire online, and build people that are gonna roll with you and stuff that you're getting into, guys. And that's how you're going to get signups and commissions and all of these different platforms that you choose to get in. Okay, so you just cycle it. That's all you do. That's what I'm doing, and it works for me. It may not work for everybody, but it works for me. Okay, guys. So I'm just letting you know that. So that's why I just wanted to do something different today and just kind of show you exactly what's going on, and how I'm using my lead gen secrets, and it's very inexpensive, and I believe you can use this thing and crush it with it once you get involved with it. All right, guys. And then again too, they do have an affiliate plan, so you can make money with this as well. Okay, so I mean, it's a win-win. You're telling people about traffic, how to get, signups in your business, and then you can get commissions on this as well, if that's what you want to do, or you can just use this and focus on your main businesses. All right. Now, let's dive right on over here into L7 right now. I wanted to talk about this while I was on the video, and just kind of just get all my updates out in one video instead of doing multiple. But yeah, guys, this is L7 trade. I've been in this for about 3 weeks, going on, well, about 2.5 weeks so far. And this right here, this thing, guys, has been pumping. I haven't had any complaints. I mean, yeah, the site is is a little slow. They've been doing a lot of maintenance on it. It was down for a couple hours the other day, because they're trying to update, because the amount of people that are coming into this platform, I mean, it's amazing. And so, of course, the more people you have come on the platform, and they wasn't expecting that many people to probably jump in. So, of course, it's going to slow down. It's going to slow down, and it's going to be harder to get in because there's so many people logging in and logging out of this platform. All right. So I just wanted to put that little update out there. I didn't get a chance to put it out the other day. I was tied up at the moment, and I didn't make a video on it. So I'm telling you guys today. But L7, very simple to use. If you guys don't know what arbitraging is, it's basically you're buying a cryptocurrency or fiat money at a lower price on one exchange, and then you're selling it higher on another exchange, and then you get the difference. Okay, so basically real simple to use. I went ahead and already clicked on it for you guys, but all you have to do when you do this platform is, as you see the top bid right here, all you do is you come down, you find that 10,420, you scroll down, which I already had it checked. Well, I guess it went up because the price goes up and down from time to time, but this is just for just for an example. So you'll find the 10,420 and you'll click on it, which it'll be right here on the left side. Always the top bid is always on the left side. The lowest ask is always on the right side. So all you do is come over, you check it, make sure these numbers are lined up and they're correct. You hit the check, come down here and make sure everything is right, and then boom, you hit confirm the exchange, and then you're done. That's it. I would show you, but I've already got a trade executed. As you see right here, I got 0.036. So it's already being executed right now. So in probably about 4 or 5 hours or so, that balance will show back up here in my actual wallet, and then then I can go do another trade. Okay, so every trade that you do with L7 is going to take about 4.5 hours to be executed, so don't get all panicky if you don't see your your Bitcoin or what other cryptocurrency you use in here. So don't get all beat up. Where's it at? I ain't seen it. It takes about 4.5 hours. You will get an email and they will let you know that that trade has been executed, and as soon as that email comes in, you're probably going to have to wait about 30 minutes or so, and then you can go ahead and execute another trade. But they do have the automatic trade where you can just turn it on and set it and let it do it by itself. But I do the manual trade because it doesn't bother me, because my day starts at 3 o'clock in the morning anyway. So that allows me, once I get up in the morning, I can execute trades, and even if I'm on the go, I can do it from my phone or whatever. So it doesn't bother me to do the manual trades, but you do have the option to do the automatic trades if you choose to. All right. So what I do pretty much with this is all the, not all, but all the little all the profits and stuff that I make from this particular platform, I come over here to Arbstar 2.0, and then I put it into this platform and start trying to build this one, get this one bigger and bigger on a weekly basis. So I'm just using this to build this, and then once I build this and get it to a point to where my liking, then of course I jump over to another. But I'm in several different platforms, but I like to use profits and things of that nature to build up my other platforms that I'm in, and then just let it snowball from there. And then of course I'm going to take my profits out from each one on a weekly basis or whatnot, but that's just what I do. If you guys haven't checked out Arbstar, I'm not going to just really go too far into it. Arbstar is pretty much the same thing. They're trading on exchanges. You can get into this if you want. It's up to you, but I'm not going to really go over it too much in detail because I have other videos out there. But basically all you do, you come over here, they have a community bot. You can put your Bitcoin in. The minimum on this platform though is $300 that you can get started with, but you can go from 300 up to 50,000. So once you come in the community bot, you put in your BTC, and then you're going to start earning an ROI on that every single day. But they do this in cycles. So if you were to come in today on a Monday, you wouldn't start receiving your payouts until Saturday. Okay, you wouldn't start getting ROI until Saturday because they do cycles every single Saturday. That's when they do their cycles. Okay. So this is just kind of let you guys just get a little brief overview real fast before I wrap this video up. So as you see right here, August 30th was just this past Saturday. And as you see, I'm compounding everything that I put into this platform. All right. So everything that I put in is compounding. And then, like I said, here's all your profits that come in on a daily basis. Now, the profits that come in, they're not high. They're a little under 1%. I know a lot of people like, oh, well, that's not a lot. But once you build this thing kind of turns on for you. And, you can start getting paid out on a weekly basis, which this does pay out every Saturday. And the cool thing about this is that you don't have to buy no package. And then once your package run out, then you gotta put another, you gotta upgrade to the next package and do all of those, packages or whatever. You don't have to do that with this. And I'm not knocking any platform that has packages. I'm just letting you know, because I'm in platforms that have different, you gotta move up. You have a, $300, $500, $1,000 package, things like that. But this one, once you put your initial in, your initial is going to stay in the platform, and then you're just going to eat off the profits every single week. But once you build it and get to a number that you like, then you can leave it in there, and every week they're going to trade. So you can make yourself a nice little passive income every Saturday. So just imagine if you you built this thing to, let's just say you had 1 Bitcoin in here. Okay, and you're getting a passive income every week of, let's just say, $500 or $600. I don't know right off the top of my head, but I'm just just taking a guess. So what if you're making $5, $6, $7, or even $1,000 a week, and you don't have to do anything once you get it built, and $1,000 comes every single week like clockworks. And then of course we know Bitcoin's going to go up and down, but then you can still take advantage of the price going up. And then you can capitalize on that too. And that's huge. To make an extra $4,000 a month. I'm not saying that that's what you'll be making, but I'm just saying, just imagine imagine if you had a full Bitcoin in here or 2 or whatever, and the amount of money that you can make on a weekly basis. All right, guys. So that's just my thoughts on that. I'm gonna leave the link in the description below to all the platforms that I'm in, but I highly recommend that you come over here and you check out my lead gen secrets, because this really right here can help you get signups in in all the businesses that you're in. It does not matter what you're doing, guys, but definitely take a look at this. But sorry the video ran a little longer than expected, but when you're getting information out there for you guys, it doesn't bother me. I just want you guys to be successful online, no matter who you are. That's what we're all here for, to grab these bags that that we can get while the getting is good, as the old people would say. Let's get the getting while the getting is good. So, but yeah, guys, but don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to smash that notification bell so you can get all them updates, and smash that like button, guys, if you like that content. But that's going to be it for me, guys. I'm going to wrap it up for you today, and we're out, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.